Hey guys, how's it going? Oh, what is this thing? Well, this is soon going to be our new hay feeder. We're going to stop wasting hay. We're going to turn this right here into a hay feeder. We're going to have put a little roof over top of it, and shouldn't take but about 20 minutes. Let's get into it. First thing I got to do is take these bars off right here. There we go. I'm going to be saving these rods and put them back on there to add support when I'm done. But for right now, I need to take them off so that we can get the plastic drum out. Now, let's see what the easiest way to get this drum out is going to be. Now that we got the tank out, we're going to use, this is what we're going to use to make our hay feeder. And we're going to cut out, these corners right here. Oh, not the top one, but here, 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 and here. And remember, safety third. Now what I've got to do is I've got to cut right here. Got to cut this off flush with the bottom of this so we can fold that in. Hopefully I can do it. Hopefully I can do it with a. Hopefully I can finish. Hopefully I can get. Hopefully I can do it all with one cutoff wheel. Let's see. Battery's dead again. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. I was trying to get this done without having to stretch the extension cord out here, but I've been through both batteries already, so it's time to bring out the extension cord. Running my extension cord, I accidentally broke my cutoff wheel. This project's starting to take a little longer than I thought it would. Should have done this to begin with. Alright, so now I've got everything cut. Now I'm going to put a flat wheel disc on there to smooth out all the edges, just for safety and make sure nobody gets hurt. So this is what I'm going to be using. Grinding rock would be better, but I couldn't find my grinding rock. Alright, so now that I have everything cut, should be able to just fold this in. I have to cut a little more off of these corners here. Right now I'm going to put duct tape on there just to make it easy for me to hold it together. And then I'm going to get some wire and wire it.
Coco's agreeing with you. She's shaking her head.
You won't believe the deal I got on this tote.
And he just looked yesterday. Yeah.
I got this one 15 minutes from the house. I got this one. This one I picked up 15 minutes from the house for $20.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So right now we got $20 in this feeder.
And the only thing it really cost you was the gas to go get it.
And the $20.
And the $20. And you had all the tools to cut all the pieces off. I think this will work really good for the goats. I feel like we won't waste as much. You know?
Yep. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to put the crossbars back on, and that'll help with a little bit to keep this keep it fairly sturdy. It's really not that bad. It's sturdy this way. This way it's a little, but that could be fixed with a T-poster too.
What's that? I don't know where you're putting them.
Go. All right, hold it right there. Get this one started. All right.
Got your screw?
We'll make it go.
I can't tell. Am I there?
That'll work. Sorry. So what we're gonna do now?
We need to pick up all these pieces.
Yeah, we can pick up all the pieces.
We might get a little wet.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the hammer and beat that in so it'll fit a little better. Yeah, we're fixing to get wet.
I think I'm holding
So we're gonna stop right now because we're getting soaking wet. We're gonna put the tools up, put the camera up, and we'll be back out here when it quits raining. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tank, the top and the bottom out of this tank. The top will end up being the bottom and the bottom will be the top. So one is gonna make a little place for the feed. It'll probably be cut right about here. And the other one will be cut to make a roof. And I'm just ballparking it. Not bad. Doesn't have to be exact, it's just a hay feeder. We're not building fine furniture. All right, we got the top cut out for the bottom. Now we're going to cut the bottom out for the top. Let me show you how this thing's going to go together, and maybe it'll make more sense to you. That'll be on the bottom. If we decide, we may decide to feed out of this, or it could be just a catch to catch the hay. And then this part.
Weather. There you go.
This part will sit here just to keep the hay dry somewhat. It's not perfect, but it'll get the job done.
Are you moving this with the tractor?
So next step is to get this get this in the goat pen and put some hay in it and let them try it out. So you know what? By the time that I get the bush hog unhooked and hook the forks up, we can just tote it down there.
True. Fine with me. I think they'll like this. But he's coming to investigate.
All right, guys, this is it. Goats will come in here and eat through here and pull through here. What falls through here will go down there and still can be eaten. It's not ruined on the ground. But we're going to sit here for a minute and see if maybe the goats will come and try it out.
Go try it. Go try it, girl.